Good evening. So I just wanted to let you know that I'm having a lot of issues with OpenOffice. For some reason it keeps crashing on me. This is the fourth time it's crashed on me.
Is it?
So I just wanted to show proof that it keeps crashing on me. So I'm going to open it up. So these are proof that it's crashed, and these haven't been recovered yet. It's usually the query or the forms that I've been trying to create, and I've created them about 4 or 5 times now. So I'm getting really frustrated. Yeah, it looks like I've lost all my forms again. The tables, I've created the actors in the movies. I actually had all 10 and they lost 2 of them. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, it looks like I got to keep all my movies, which is cool. But I wanted to show you it crashing because I'm really tired of redoing this. I'm sorry, but my computer keeps crashing. I can't really do the assignment. And I'm just following the video. And I'll kind of click through these real quick. I like red. Actor, finish. Usually goes through the first time. I'm pretty happy I noticed the line. So I take here, I edit, double click, scroll down, oh, wait, yes, exit, and then if I wanted to, just make sure that it's on wrap, save, and check to see if it works. Okay, that didn't work. Let me try that again. Yes, there we go. That's what I was missing. Yes. Let's just make sure that it worked. There we go. Alright. So this is usually what it does, is it allows me to do the first one, and then when I go and try to do the second one, it usually crashes on me. Movies. Again, I'm just speeding through it. And then this is where it crashes. Nope, it's not responsive. And then it'll crash here in a few minutes or seconds. Yep, and there it goes. So I've tried fixing it, I've tried going online and finding solutions, and nothing seems to be working. So, don't really know what to do. I think I'm going to submit it as is, and if I can continue working on it, that would be great. But I will just paste it on the comment section and wait for your reply for Monday. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm sorry that I couldn't continue.